Welcome to our YouTube channel. So I created a simple cash book using Microsoft Access. So the speciality of this cash book is there I can calculate running sum very easily. So I'll show you how my Access based simple cash book looks like. Now before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Now here I'm going to open my cash book. Yeah, this is the cash book. You can see this is the user interface of my cash book. Actually this is very simple one, but it has lots of detail. So here mainly you can enter your opening balance like this. So after that you can enter your day-to-day transactions as follows. Okay, so this part to enter transaction date. Then here you can enter receipt or voucher number, and there you can select transaction type, description, cash in and cash out. So here you can filter your transactions based on the date range, and from this button you can clear the filter. So here these buttons to generate report based on the date range, and also you can export your daybook report or cashbook report into PDF version in a single click. So here what happens, every time when you update your cashbook, it shows the running balance in this text box. So I'll explain you. So I'll show you how to add transactions to this cash book. So here I'm going to enter transaction. So I select date. Here I am going to enter cash in transaction. So the receipt number is 1001. So here let's say transaction type is salary, and here you can enter description what you want. So the salary amount is just say 25,000. Then you need to enter the record. So once you enter the record, it suddenly changes the running balance to 5,250. Just assume you are going to add an expense on the same date. So here the voucher number or the receipt number 1505, and the expense category is just say traveling. You can enter any description you need. So the traveling cash out amount is 5,250. Then you need to press enter. So once you press the enter, you can see your running balance reduced to 40,000 from this cash out value. Now just say I want to extract report. There you need to click date from. So I want to transactions from 24th to 25th like this. This is my date range. So after adding a date range, you need to click apply filter. So once you click the apply filter, it filters transaction like this. So it shows only transactions to this specific dates or date range. So what happens if I click on the report function, then you can see the filtered cash report like this. So it shows, so you can see your cash book report like this. Okay, and also by pressing clear filter, you can remove the transaction or you can remove the filter. So if I select this month 1st of February 2026 to just say 20th February 2026, what happened? If I apply printer, it shows like this. Right, now if I click on the report function, you can see the report based on the selected date range. Okay. Now, on the other hand, I explain you that you can export a report to PDF format. To export the report to PDF format, you need to click on this export to PDF. So once you select the export to PDF, and you need to select a desired save location, then press OK. Yeah. So this is the extracted PDF record based on the given date range, right? So by using this cashbook, you can easily handle your day-to-day transactions, and also you can design any report according to the transaction type or whatever using the query functions. So if I explain the little bit about the logic behind this cashbook, so actually this is a continuous form. Just let's go to the design view. So this is my continuous form. So there I have set default view to continuous form. So these are the text boxes based on the TBL cashbook table. So this is my main table or cashbook table, and also this is the query based on the cashbook. So if I go to design view, you can see how the query is designed. So here you have a criteria like this. So there is a function to run running balance. So this is running balance function, and here I have used VB code to export or save as PDF, to save the report as PDF, and also this report has a small VB code like this. So it helpful to open the report according to the given criteria. So and also this is the function to show running balance from the given query. Yeah. So this text box to calculate the to get the closing balance of the of your table. Okay. So this is the function I have used to calculate the cashbook current closing balance. Actually, you can develop this basic cashbook according to your requirements, and small businesses and freelance small businesses can use this template very easily to manage their cash transactions. And also you can easily download this database by following the link given in the video description. This is my easy cashbook designed using MS Access. So if you need this sample cashbook, please follow the link mentioned in the video description. So that is it for today. Thank you very much.